Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech Evo 5 D3O Textile Jacket. Okay, the all-new TracTech Evo 5 D3O Textile Jacket retails for $259 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we never update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. What size you wearing?
I am wearing a size small. I am 5'11", 175 pounds with a 39.5-inch chest, and I'd say I'm happy with it. I feel like the TracTech Evo lineup does fit a little tighter than, let's say, the S1. That's going to be more of a relaxed fit. If I didn't want to go for an airbag option in this route, I have to size up to a medium. But yeah, the small right now fits pretty good.
And I would say this stuff does run a little to the big side. Most people wouldn't think, oh, a 175-pound dude's going to be wearing a small.
No, yeah, it doesn't make much sense at all.
But also, he's used to wearing a race suit. This is the type of fit that he gravitates towards.
Yep.
Okay, so bear that in mind. If you know your Max's size, but you want more operating room than what he's got right now, just go ahead and go up to the medium. I'm sure you're going to be happy with that. Who is just this jacket right for? This jacket is going to be amazing for people that want to ride in some cooler weather, right? Into the warm weather. So early season, late season, and it is also waterproof. Okay, so sometimes early and late you get caught in a little bit of weather. It has a fully removable quilted vest and sleeve liner. So right now, yes, Max is sweating his ass off in this jacket in the video studio right now.
86 degrees out right now.
Dad, please do this one in one take. Okay. CE rated AA. It comes with level 2 armor from D3O in the elbow and forearm, as well as a shoulder. Integrated shoulder slider to bolster protection there.
Talk about the back protector pocket.
There's a back protector pocket in it. It accepts the D3O insert. That is not included, sold separate. That's in the RST Armor section of our site. There are pockets in the chest that accept the all-new D3O armor for the RST jackets. Also, you'll find that in the RST Armor section of our website. The waterproof membrane with this jacket is fixed. Notice I never said this is going to be a great summer riding jacket.
Hell no.
No. Even when you remove the interior insulated liner, it does have a couple of vents, okay? You got intake vents up here, and then on the back, you have exhaust vents. These vents, what they do is they introduce air that flows in between the outer shell of the jacket and the waterproof, breathable inner membrane to kind of collect the heat and humidity and then drive it on out the back. It's not direct to skin, so you get a hot day like today, even with the liner removed,
oh man,
probably not going to be amazing.
Not going to happen.
Okay. Other key features, the styling is just, they did a great job.
It's awesome.
The fabric they use, the hand on the fabric, it just feels super nice.
It is high quality. It's got adjustable volume strap for the guys with big biceps. I have little baby arms, so we're fine.
Some reflective inserts.
No zipper here. It's just straight Velcro, which makes sense for more of a waterproof style jacket.
Yeah, 100%.
So
volume adjustment at the waist is done with textile, Velcro, and a D-ring. Very clean styling on the back.
Sporty look for sure.
This is just, it's a great looking coat. They've done a great job. And when you look at that price point, too, for what you're getting, right, that $259, they have several other mesh jackets in their catalog. You buy one mesh for the real hot days. You buy this for the cooler stuff. You could even take the back insert if you want to buy just one back insert and move from jacket to jacket.
It's not that hard,
100%. You can get 2 jackets for the price of one, and I promise you, when you open the box from us and you put this jacket on,
it's sweet.
You're going to be pumped.
You're gonna be
100%.
excited.
You want more details, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to pull this thing apart and give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The RST TracTech Evo 5 D3O Textile Jacket from the inside out. This bad boy is going to come with level 2 certified D3O armor in the shoulder, elbow, and forearm. Also includes a fully quilted liner, both vest and sleeve. Makes this jacket great, you know, like we talked about earlier, for your cool weather rides, maybe a little rain. With the waterproofing it provides, fantastic. Look at the quality of this liner, too. These guys are really on the gas. Stuff is so nice. Moving on to the jacket. The hand of the fabric that they're using, I mean, this thing just feels absolute premium. Screen printed RST logo. There's a little bit of padding here in the tail for additional protection. Your zippered exhaust vents here on the back. Remember, your ventilation is not direct to skin. It comes in from the front, in between the outer layer and the fixed waterproof breathable membrane. Kind of grabs the heat and humidity that's built up in between the layers, takes it right on out the back. You know, not a full-on super great hot weather jacket, but for warmer temps, cold, cooler rides, this thing's going to be a home run. And also if you're expecting possibly a little rain. RST logo screen printed here. Large motion panel here in the shoulder blade area, wraps around to the chest of the jacket. Volume adjustment is done with textile, D-ring, and Velcro. Front of the jacket. Love the printing on the sleeve. Got some reflectives built in. RST logo screen printed here. TracTech Evo 5. Volume adjustment here at the bicep area. Adjuster here at the cuff. We're just using textile and Velcro. Important to note too, that inner liner in the sleeves, it zips in all the way around the cuff, so it really holds the liner in place. It zips in there, it zips in the body. There's a little snap at the back. So when you're riding with your liner and it's held in place nicely, it's not all bunching up and stuff. Okay, this jacket also includes adjustable height armor pocket for the elbow and forearm. I've turned it inside out just so you can see. You won't have to do that if you want to make an adjustment. There are 2 levels of Velcro, about 1 inch apart. One here at the top, one here at the bottom. If you need this to ride higher, you're going to want to fasten the interior Velcro to hold the armor up higher. If you need it to ride lower, you'll make sure that one is opened, the armor slides down, and just the lower one is closed. Front of the coat, love the styling. RST logo split by the zip. We've got 2 hand warmer style storage pockets either side. Reasonable size. Little flap here to protect your bike from the zipper, the tank of your bike. Integrated external shoulder sliders, works in conjunction with that level 2 armor to protect you in that area, plus they look great. If you're going to pair this up with a pair of their textile pants, full circumference zip, very heavy gauge zip. Mesh inner liner. Here's the pocket that accepts your D3O back protector insert if you choose to add that on, which we highly suggest. On either side of the coat, there are zippered pockets that accept the all-new D3O RST chest armor. If it's not here yet, it is for sure on its way. It'll be here shortly. Comfort collar. You see the drain down here at the bottoms, right? Those little eyelets, that's meant for any moisture that would collect in between the layers, say you do get caught into a rainstorm. That just allows the air to continue to circulate in there and make sure that it just, you know, gets all cleaned out and drained away. Oh no, what do I think? I think if you're looking for a cooler weather, possibly some wet weather riding jacket, this is going to be great. The price is super fair. The quality is very high. The styling is amazing, right? And I think for most people, if you're a serious rider and you live in a climate that varies, like here in the Mighty Mitten, you get your early season rides, it's going to be chilly out. You still want to go out and enjoy your motorcycle. That's where having a jacket like this is huge. Late season, same thing. And then somewhere in the middle, RST also has a whole host of other jackets that are great for hot weather riding that provide tremendous ventilation. So you pick up a couple of jackets, and with their price points, you can usually get 2 for what you would pay for one other company's 1. You'll have 2 great purpose-built jackets that are going to help you get more out of your hobby. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right jacket for your next ride.